Hey, if your smart TV is freezing, lagging, or just not working right, a factory reset can often fix the problem. In this video, I'll walk you through how to factory reset your smart TV safely, step by step. Let's get started. First, pick up your remote and open the Settings menu. Usually, you can do this by pressing the gear icon or menu button. Inside Settings, scroll down and look for System, Device Preferences, or Support. The exact name might be a little different depending on your TV brand. Next, find Reset, Factory Reset, or Reset to Initial Settings, then select it. Your TV may ask for a PIN code. If you never changed it, the default is often 0000, or sometimes 1, 2, 3, 4. Now confirm the reset. The TV will restart and begin wiping all data. Just remember, this will remove your apps, accounts, and saved settings. Once the reset finishes, your smart TV will reboot and show the first-time setup screen. Just follow the on-screen steps to reconnect Wi-Fi and sign back in. And that's it. Your smart TV is now fully reset and ready to go. If the reset option was missing, try checking under Advanced Settings or Support. Thanks for watching.